Hey guys, this is Saurabh and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is the another part of the video that the importance of leaving our comfort zone. Yes, and as I mentioned before that in my YouTube channel I would be uploaded 1/3 video in English and rest of 2 video would be in Bengali. So this video is going to be in English, but in the middle of the video I will also explain the concept in Bengali also. So now I am going to give you the very simplest and effortless example by which you can understand the whole concept, and this is the very simplest example, right? So the example came into my mind while I was making and editing the first part of the video, but that time I thought that if I add the whole things together, then the part 1 video would be long and you guys was maybe fed up. So that's why I thought that I should make the another video to understand the whole concept. So that's why today I am here to explain the whole concept in very simplest way. So yes, so once again, before moving into the main topic, before moving into the main part of the video, I would like to show you some video, okay? And you know that also that what I am going to show you. Yeah, so I just request you that please watch the video and then start watching the full video. Just watch it, please, just watch it. So guys, what have you found on the video? Yes, right, this is the cricketing video, right? Then what you have seen on this video, that if the ball goes out of the boundary, then it will be 4 or 6, right? And if the ball is inside the boundary, then batsman will get only 1 or 2 runs, and sometimes it may be 3 runs, right? In another example, you also can realize that in a football playground also, football playground is rectangular and the goal post there is the outside of the boundary. If the ball cross the line, if the ball cross the boundaries, then it will be goal, and otherwise it can't be goal. So in this way, just realize it, in this way, the boundary is your comfort zone. Like the ball has to be left, ball has to leave the boundary, cross the boundary to get more run, to get more point. Then in this way, you also have to leave your comfort zone. You also need to leave, cross your boundaries to get more run, to get more point, to increase your value, to show your capability towards the world, towards the public, like the ball. But if you want to that yeah, I am okay with my comfort zone, no problem, I have no problem, I am okay within my comfort zone, then I will not going to force you at all. But believe me, if you want to increase your value, if you want to get more run like the ball, then you have to leave your comfort zone. Yes, and if you ask me what do you mean by comfort zone? Here is some example now I am going to give you. Like you are in a coaching center for tuition, right? And you are going to taught, I mean your teacher is taught some lesson like math or any other concept, but you haven't understood the whole concept, but you are very shameful guy, because there is a girls, there is a friends, they will laugh at you if you ask something to the teachers. So that time you thought, no, yeah, I will not ask anything because they will laugh, they will criticize me, right? Another example, you know the all English grammar rules, you know the structure, the how to make correct sentence, but you cannot express yourself in front of public, in the public place, because you cannot overcome your fear, you cannot leave your comfort zone. So this is the comfort zone, the boundary. The ball has to be leave the boundaries to get more run, and you have to leave your boundary, you have to cross your boundaries to increase your value, to showcase yourself, right? And there is nothing happen within the boundaries. Great things never come from comfort zone. You have to leave your comfort zone. Yes, friends, that's it. Today's topic is end up here. I just tried to show you that the importance of leaving our comfort zone, and this is all my personal experience. This is my own experience. I have never skipped it from anywhere. I don't like that kind of thing, like copy it from other channel and just show in my YouTube channel to increase my subscriber, to increase like. I don't like this. Whatever I will experience in my life, only that thing I will share with you. Because if I don't know anything, how can I tell you? And if you ask me that how it's possible, then if I start to give you the answer, then you will all laugh at me. So I don't like that kind of thing. Whatever I will experience in my life, only that kind of thing I will share with you, nothing else. So that's the today's topic. Let's see what's come after that. So তোমাদেরকে আমি দেখিয়ে দিলাম, যেমন বল যেমন বাউন্ডারি পার করলেই, বাউন্ডারি পার করে দিলেই যেমন 4 কি 6 হচ্ছে, তেমন তোমাদেরকেও তোমাদের বাউন্ডারি ক্রস করতে হবে, তোমাদেরও কমফোর্ট জোন থাকতে হবে, ওই বাউন্ডারিটাই তোমাদের কমফোর্ট জোন। So if I can do it, then you can also do it. If I was able to leave my comfort zone, then you can also do it, right? You just have to try it every day, you have to practice it every day. So once upon a time I was very simple guy, I was very ashamed to go in front of the teacher. If there is some problem, I always force someone, hey, you go and ask something to the teacher, because I was very simple, I was very shy and always stay behind all of them. But now you can see that what can I do, right? So who does know that one day I will come and give the speech in front of the camera? Nobody can know that. So yeah, if in this way you can also try to leave your comfort zone and get the result, get the benefit, and please let me know that what you can get after leaving your comfort zone. Don't forget to comment in below, because if you leave your comfort zone, then there is something new thing will be happened. Believe me, it's going to be happen. And after leaving your comfort zone, please let me know that what you can get benefit of it. Okay, bye, see you in next video.